You've obviously clicked on this video by mistake. This video is filled with nothing but misery and woe. You'd be much better off finding a more pleasant video to spend your time watching. Obviously, we're back to a series of unfortunate events. Today is part 2 of The Slippery Slope and Esme Squalor's full-on makeup. It's been a few weeks. I've had my own series of unfortunate events to deal with. But now it's time for makeup. So let's get started with Esme's Slippery Slope Mount Fraught look. Alright, so I've already used my foundation from Almay, which I am almost out of and should get more of. To start our Esme look, part 2, I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow. This one is from Urban Decay. It's in the shade Knockout. And put that through the crease. We don't want to blend it out too much because this is more just a subtle aspect of her eyeshadow. The red and the gold are the big major points. So we'll just sort of leave it as it is, and probably we'll have to come back later and strengthen it, but that's a good start for now. So then you want to go in with a red eyeshadow. This one is from N.Y.C, their Primal Colors, and we're going to put that on the outer half of the eyelid. So once we have a bit of the red on there, we're going to take a gold eyeshadow. I'm using this one from Urban Decay. I believe it's the color Twisted. And we're going to put that on the rest of the lid. We're going to go in with an icy white shade shimmer. This one is Polyester Bride from Urban Decay. And we're going to put that on the brow bone. Then take a liquid eyeliner pencil, a black one. This is by a wonderful brand that I also cannot say. All the good eyeliner brands I can't pronounce. And we'll run just a thin line over the top lash line. So it appears that Esme is wearing a white eyeliner on the inner waterline and then a black one on the lash line. So we'll just start with that. We'll go in with a white eyeliner on the waterline. And then I'm just going to take a black eyeshadow, maybe this one, maybe Blackout from Urban Decay, and run it along the lash line. So as you can see, we have a little of the red that is transferred to the lower half of the eye. Normally that would be annoying, but for this look, if you look closely, this actually plays into our hand because we want to put some of the red about halfway across the lash line. Get too much further with the eyes, I want to do some mascara. This is from Benefit BADgal Bang mascara. It just came in my Ipsy bag and I love it. Full review to come. So we're going to put this on the top and bottom lashes. Then on to the part that I'm not very good at. If you've seen my other videos, you know already. Lashes. These are from E.L.F. Dramatic lashes. So let's try and put these on and hope for the best. So then, now I'm going to go in with Too Faced's Glitter Bomb palette, and we're going to go over the gold eyeshadow with gold glitter. And then we're going to go over the red eyeshadow with, you guessed it, red glitter. We're going to take some gold glitter on a small brush and press it along the inner corner of the eye. And then upon further inspection, it looks like Esme's gold is a little more, like bigger pieces of glitter, more foil-like. I don't have foil eyeshadow on me right now, but I'm going to take a little bit of loose glitter and see what I can do. It also has a little bit of glitter on the outer lashes, so I did that a little bit. Now to clean up all this fallout with some concealer. Ta-da! So now I'm going to take this shade from my NYX Contour Highlight Palette and just do a little bit of contouring right here like Esme has. And I'm going to take this white highlighter, also from NYX, and place it on top of my cheekbones, under my eyes, forehead, down nose. So then I'm just taking a quick tap, literally a tap with my finger, of NYX Primal Color on each side for a subtle blush. Then I'm going to use this red lipstick from Revlon to get Esme's palette. So here we have our finished Esme, A Series of Unfortunate Events, The Slippery Slope, Part 2 makeup look. Thanks for watching. Don't stay tuned for more. Don't check out the blog for more info. I will see you next time. Bye!